given to a group of graduating students who excels in the creative and practical application of learning in the field of software project development. This year's best thesis or IT projects is Navigrade 2D Directory for Cemetery Kiosks of Manila Memorial Park, Dasmariñas. Our awardees are Carmela Buena, John Maynard Marshall del Rosario, Ederlyn Bonono Danila, and Willie Don Yumang Manzan. Best Programmer is a special award to a graduating student whose analytical and programming skills proved superior among the batch of information and computer science students.